actually a device that was patented for the medical technology industry. And what goes on here is inside the applicator, there's a glass vial that contains the solution that we'll use to apply to the windshield.
Now, will this be enough to do the whole windshield and everything that we need?
This does the whole windshield, yes. There's enough solution inside so that we can do the whole windshield. That's how it's made.
Kathy, I got the windshield all clean. Now we're ready to apply the Aquapel. What's really neat about this is there's no shelf life. The solution is contained in a vial in here. So all you gotta do when you're ready to use that is squeeze these two wings together.
Wow.
Broke the vial. It's gonna soak the pad and you're ready to install. Look at that.
Yeah, I just love how it's all inside. You don't have to spray anything on.
You know, what's really neat about this, you know, a lot of things put on your windshield make it a little better, but they wear off. This will last 6 months.
Yeah, and sometimes, depending on your climate, maybe even a little longer than that.
It could, yes.
Now, do we need to be mindful of getting this on the paint, on any rubber seals that we would have around the windshield?
You should be careful about applying it to the glass. It only really works on the glass. It won't work on the paint or plastic. And so you should really be careful just to apply it to the glass.
All right, looks like you got your side over there done.
Well, what's neat about it, Kathy, is it isn't just sitting on the top. There's a chemical reaction going on, and it's adhering itself to the glass. So here you go. Try your side.
All right.
Now, just while you're doing that, I'll start wiping this off. I feel smoother already.
Man, you can see it already wanting to bubble up on here. Now, you have other products as well to go along with this too, Bill.
We do. We have an anti-fog treatment that's made for the inside of the glass. So when you have those annoying conditions where the inside of your windshield keeps fogging up, that'll help prevent that from occurring. And we also have really a commercial grade glass cleaner, the Aquapel glass cleaner that's used by many of the professional auto glass installers in the industry. Does a really good job of cleaning your windshield. And we also have a wiper fluid, a very high-grade wiper fluid that's good down to 30 below zero and keep your windshield from being all frozen in the wintertime.
Now, Bill, once we have this on here, if we want to go through and maybe hit it with some glass cleaner, just kind of put that finishing touch on there?
That's fine to do. Once you've applied it, the chemical reaction has occurred, and you can begin to clean and use the windshield just like you normally would.
Well, if this stuff, great for the windshield. What about using it on the other windows on the car?
Oh, absolutely. It can work on any of the windows in your car. One of the nice benefits of it is because it repels water, it also makes it much easier to clean snow and ice from the windshield and from any of the other glass on your car. So if you have to park outside in the wintertime, it really makes it easy to clean the ice off your car. You know, Kathy, what's interesting about this technology is it was originally developed for the aerospace industry and is used today on many commercial airliners to help the pilots see out the windshields better.
Yeah, this stuff is great. I can't wait to get it on my car.